how to compare Perplexity AI versus Chatgpt. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to connect. With so many AI tools out there, it can be quite tricky to choose the one that suits you the best. Both of these platforms are amazing in their own way, but they are of course designed for different tasks. So starting off with Perplexity, the biggest strength that it has is that it is connected to the internet. This makes it perfect for answering questions about the current events, news, or the latest trends. So, for example, if you ask Ian something like this, the most talked about feature in the latest iPhone, Perplexity will go find the most recent articles and news and give you the answers with the links and sources as well. So, this way you can look up or search up the internet and find the best results. Now, talking about ChatGPT, it is mostly used for creativity and following complex instructions. ChatGPT can be great for tasks that don't need latest news but do need deep thinking. For example, if you write in this question, ChatGPT will create a perfect code email from scratch. Also, it can be a good tool for brainstorming ideas, writing stories, or explaining complex concepts in a simple way. Each of these platforms has its own strength. If you want an AI model that has the latest data, you can head over to Perplexity. But if you're trying to use a model that can do complex tasks, you can choose ChatGPT. So this was a basic comparison of both of these platforms and how you can use them. If this short guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.